Hey guys, welcome back. I'm just sitting here working on these logs, thinking that there's all these people out there that I see on Facebook, because I'm on a bunch of off-grid sites and stuff like that, that somebody posts a picture of a cabin and they're like, oh, that's my dream, I'd love to live there, I'd give up everything to live there. Well, why are you just sitting there flipping through Facebook? I mean, a little bit of hard work never hurt anybody. Yeah, this is hard work doing this, but I'm building what I want. It's always been my dream to build a cabin, so that's what I'm doing. Even though I can't hardly see, legally blind, figure it out. But it's just amazing to me that so many people is not willing to do something like this to get what they want. If you really want it, get out there and do it. If they take the time that you spend looking at Facebook every day and peel a log, you probably haven't done in no time. Actually, these go kind of quickly, as you can probably see. There's a lot of work, especially knowing that there's 100 of them. Knife usually works a little better, but you guys probably can't see. There's some dent marks where hitting knots, they do get dull. You have to sharpen them. I haven't yet, but yeah. Basically, what I'm getting at is it's amazing to me people that will sit there and just want things. It's fine to want things, but won't get out there and actually figure out a way to do it. I've been wanting a cabin since I was a kid. Yeah, age of 44, I'm doing it. Doesn't matter, I can't see. Where it's really time consuming is around these knots. You gotta keep working it back and forth and try to get everything out. You're wondering why I keep feeling to make sure I got it all. Actually, this is, yeah, it's not that hard, but it's kind of hard work. It gets to your body after a while. I can't believe how much I felt in my legs. But kind of relaxing. You just think about whatever and let it clear out of your head. Good way to process stuff. And knowing that it's finally coming together. you kind of wonder, everybody's got anxiety and depression anymore. Back 150 years ago, that wasn't such an issue. I think nobody knows what hard work is anymore. Work from daylight to dark. You don't have time for depression. And it's proven that exercise is a good way to help your depression. Like I said before, you don't like your life, change it. You're the one in control of your life. You want something, go out and do it. I don't think people realize, I think it was this fall, be 4 years ago, I came back to Michigan. And I had this plan. I didn't tell many people, but I had this plan of doing this the whole entire time. Now you gotta take small steps. It's not gonna happen overnight. You gotta, what do you need? Figure out a plan, work towards that goal. Little steps at a time. I honestly never thought I'd be building a cabin, making my dream happen. Cannot tell you guys how excited I am about this. Yeah, hard work, but imagine, you can sit inside of it, say you built it all yourself. You did it all, or at least helped with it all. There's gonna be a few points where I'm gonna need some help, but that's a great thing to know. But yeah, I've had that plan where I was setting my goals. You take the little steps. Okay, what do you need? Everything I pretty much bought was something I needed for this eventually project. I didn't know where I was gonna buy property. Actually, I thought about buying some down in Tennessee and Kentucky and stuff, but ended up buying it in Upper Peninsula of Michigan, which I've always loved out there. It's a beautiful country. So everything's kind of, you can't look at the whole picture, how much work it's going to be to build it. I don't even look at that as 100 logs. I look at that, okay, I'm almost to 10. I'm almost to 25. Oh, when I hit 25, I'll be quarter of the way done. Oh, almost to 33, then I'm a third of the way done. That's the way you look at it. Don't look at the whole picture. Or focus on one log. Hey, I'm almost done with one. And then you move on to number 2. Yeah, it can get overwhelming, so you look at a little bit at a time. Just like when I was hiking the Appalachian Trail. You don't look at that you're doing 2,190 miles, because that would seem overwhelming. You can either look at that day, I'm going to do 15 miles, or it's 33 miles to the next point. So I'm going to make that in 2 days. That's my goal, make it there in 2 days. So you look at small things that you don't look at the whole. Look, you keep the whole picture in your head, but you also set little goals of, okay, in a week I'm going to be here while you're hiking. I'm going to push it to there. And do your best. If you don't make it for whatever reason, don't feel bad about it. No big deal. Set different goals. Okay, I can't do 15 miles a day. Do only 10. Whatever. When I was hiking, I still do a little bit, not much, because I'm kind of busy with the cabin. But I did anywhere 15 to 20 miles a day. A lot of people is around 10, which is nothing wrong with that. Do your own pace, do your own thing, hike your own hike. But moral of this whole story is that I'm rambling on long. Is you look at the whole picture that I had to go out and find these logs, cut these logs, have them all brought here, move all these logs, peel all these logs. Then I gotta build the cabin, notch them all, sand them, chink them, notch them, everything. You look at the whole thing, kind of overwhelming. So you look at it one step at a time, one log at a time. That's all you can do. And it does bother me, all these people that, oh, that's what I want, that's what I want. Well, get out there and do it. I mean, if you want a new car, figure out what you got to do to buy a new car. If you want a house, figure out what you got to do. If you got to work 2 jobs, you got to work 2 jobs. I've done it for many years, worked 2 jobs to get things or just to put food on the table. It is what it is. It's a hard world out there anymore, and it's not getting any easier, I can tell you that. So, yeah, the off-grid style is a lot easier because you don't have no electric or anything like that. But we're getting to that in another video. But I just thought I'd post this, let you guys, just something I was thinking about while I was doing this. Thank you guys for watching. I want to thank all you new subscribers. It means a lot. There'll be a lot more videos coming out. A lot more hard work. Remember, you want something, get out there and do it. Don't let your disabilities hold you back.